7 lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night, you were gone. I don't know why you run, what you running to and from. All I know is I want to bring you home. I'll walk in the rain, coming for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go. Let me go in, oh, let it on. Kentucky rain is pouring down, and where there's another town that I'll go walking through with the weight of my shoes. Searching for you, in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. She made a photograph, there's some more gray-bearded man sitting on the bench outside the general store. She said yes, she's been here, but the memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. I finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked where my on such a cold, dark afternoon. As he drove on with the rain, as he listened, I explained, as he left me with a prayer that I'll find you. Kentucky rain is pouring down, and there is another town that I'll go walking through with the weight of my shoes. Sorry.